Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to pin File Explorer to the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to pin File Explorer to the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start, type here File Explorer. So right click on Pin to Start. There it is. If you want to unpin or disable, so very easy. Type File Explorer, right click on Unpin from taskbar. Sorry. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to pin File Explorer to the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.